Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is always a pleasure to have you join us. So today I want to talk about 6 bar soaps which you can use to brighten up your skin. I get asked a lot about this question, and some people are wondering whether brightening is still the same as lightening, because there are so many people who do not want to alter the skin color, but they want to give vibrancy to their skin. So lightening the skin is about reducing the pigmentation of the skin, like inhibiting the production of melanin, while brightening is all about giving radiance to your skin, giving it a glow, giving it that vibrance to the skin, like reducing the bad effects that had been meted on your skin by harsh weather, maybe aging, neglecting your skin and such like things. So today I want to talk about 6 soaps that I know are very safe for brightening your skin, that I know I have used myself, na najua they are going to be very good when it comes to giving you that glow that you're looking for. So let's go to it. The first one is the Kojic acid soap by Kojic. I know there are many variations in the market today, but the one that is showing on the screen is the one I can vouch for because I have used it. It is made from Kojic acid, and it is used to clear acne, darkened spots, uneven skin tone and such things, and it doesn't really lighten, but it gives you like 2-3 shades of brightness, not really lightening. I have used it before and it is very effective. It gives you a very clear and bright finish. So give it a try and give me feedback. The first one is the Kojic acid soap by Kojic. I know there are many variations in the market today, but the one that is showing on the screen is the one I can vouch for because I have used it. It is made from Kojic acid, and it is used to clear acne, darkened spots, uneven skin tone and such things, and it doesn't really lighten, but it gives you like 2-3 shades of brightness, not really lightening. I have used it before and it is very effective. It gives you a very clear and bright finish. So give it a try and give me feedback. The second one is the Anatic Soap. This one is made and distributed by BF Suma company. It is a very good soap for problematic skin. It is good for teenagers, good for pregnant mothers, good for ladies when they're on their periods, good for ladies when they're on their menopause, and good for people who have a problem with pimples and acne. It clears the skin in about 3 days of usage, and it gives you a very good glass finish and smooth glow. So give it a try and give me feedback. The third one is the Dudu or Sun black soap. It is made from natural ingredients from Africa. If you have never really tried this soap, I don't know where you've been living, because it is quite popular. It is very good with clearing premature aging lines, eczema, acne, name all, even stretch marks, name all skin problems that you can think of. This one does it all. It clears all of them, but you have to keep using it continuously. It also gives you a brightness after you continuously use it. So I would recommend it, but make sure you get the legit one because there are many fakes in the market, and give me feedback down below when you use it. The fourth one is the good old Dove exfoliation bar soap. This one is the it. This is my favorite soap. This one gently washes away all the dead skin on your body. It gives you a brighter, softer skin just after a few days of using it. This one, once you get to using it, you'll just become addicted to it. It is available in all supermarkets and local shops, so make sure you get the exfoliating one. I've shown it on the screen playing in here, so make sure you get it. It leaves you with a very creamy finish, because it is deeply moisturizing as much as it is deeply exfoliating. So give it a try and give me feedback. Then we have the good old Dettol pomegranate soap. Some people call it the Dettol evertone, but you have to pick the pink one, not the one that looks like chocolate, cocoa butter-ish. This one has cocoa butter and also has pomegranate. It is a beauty soap. This one cleanses your skin very, very well. It also gives you a bright glow. It also evens up your skin. And you know, we all know the good things about Dettol that are also encompassed in this soap. So let's use it for protection against germs, and also for brightening up our skins. Give me feedback once you do that. Then last but not the least, we have the Asantee, papaya and honey bar soap. We all know the benefits of papaya on the skin. We all know the benefits of honey on the skin, and you know, this one is not short of it. It contains vitamins A and E, and also contains AHA. So it brightens up the skin, it clears up acne, it clears up pimples. Most importantly, it just gives you that very bright and healthy, you know, skin that you've been looking for. So make sure to get the legit soaps, because there are so many variations to these things. You know, people are getting busy every day manufacturing counterfeits. So make sure you get the very legit product and give it a try. Then you give me feedback down here below. If you would like me to assist you get to differentiate the legit beauty bar soaps and the non-legit ones, let me know through the comments below. I will be sure to give you a video on that. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and have a wonderful day.